So we're 10 days away to 2024, and gratitude has been a really life-changing and important practice for me this year. So I thought we could spend the next 10 days sitting in gratitude, reflecting on the year that we've all had in 2023, saying goodbye to all the lessons that we've learned, the people we've met, and the experiences that we've had. So in this video, let's talk about the first lesson that 2023 taught me. So this year, I realized that prioritizing myself and loving myself comes above everything else. And this doesn't mean that I'm neglecting other people or being selfish. It's actually quite the opposite. I've had some very deep connections this year and even friendships that have grown closer than ever because of this. When I put myself first, I'm sending out the signal to the universe or God or whatever you want to call it, that I'm important, I matter, and I care about my well being, that I'm not willing to abandon myself to please somebody else. I believe in the mirror principle, which states that how you treat yourself is how others will treat you, because everyone is a projection of your internal world. So if I continue to disrespect myself, to abandon myself, to do things I don't really want to do, I'm building up that resentment within me. And that resentment can be projected out into my reality as other people taking advantage of me, rejecting me, abandoning me, or just not valuing me. So the more I value and respect myself and my needs, the more other people will mirror that back to me. Let me know if any of you resonate with that in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for lesson number 2 in day 2. Follow for more. Did I already say that?